Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today we'll show you how to use Cash App Afterpay. Now the first thing that you should do is to simply go and open Cash application on your phone. Then I want you to click on the magnifying glass on the bottom just right here. And after that, you should here head to the Discover section. You should now search for Afterpay. So simply click on the search icon, type Afterpay, hit the enter, and the Afterpay service should be displayed right here. If Afterpay appears in the search results or under recommended offers, tap on it. You might see a page with more information or a button to connect your Afterpay account. Follow the on-screen steps to link or use Afterpay with your Cash App. If Afterpay doesn't show up in the Discover section, that is okay. Not every Cash App account has this feature yet. You can still use Afterpay with Cash App by starting from the Afterpay app instead. So now close the Cash app and open the Afterpay app on your phone. On the Afterpay home screen, find your active order. Tap on the order to view the details. Next, look for a button that says Pay Early. Tap on it. This takes you to the payment method screen. Now check to see if Cash App is listed as a payment option. If it is, go ahead and select it. Then follow the steps shown on your screen to complete the payment using your Cash App account. Now I have shown you two main ways. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. And I forgot to tell you that you need to have both applications updated on your phone, Cash App and Afterpay app. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. Pros. Number one, budget friendly. Split big payments into smaller chunks. Number two, we have interest free. If you pay on time, you will not be charged extra. Number three, convenience. All in one app with Cash App's payment features. Wide merchant network. Works with thousands of online and in-store retailers. But nothing is perfect, and let's talk about the cons. Number one, we have late fees. Missed payments can cost you. Number two, limited approval. Not everyone gets approved right away. In addition, it can encourage overspending. Easy to buy more than you can afford. And finally, the final con is impact on your account. Multiple missed payments might block BNPL features. So, should you use Cash App Afterpay in 2025? If you are disciplined with payments and want to manage bigger purchases without paying interest, it is a solid tool. But if you are prone to overspending or forgot payment dates, it can become a headache fast. And remember, it's a convenience, not free money. And now, if you find this video helpful, please support us with like and subscribe, and see you in a new video.